Welcome to the fascinating world of binary options. And I was on the big screen.
Why were you on the big screen?
I am.
I want to be on the
Really.
big screen.
Okay, here. Let's put you up on the big screen.
Hi,
Tonight.
look at me. I'm on the big screen.
Hey, look at you on the big screen. Look at me. I'm all bright. And look at my new poster, dude. Look at my new poster back there.
The one back there.
Boom, boom, boom,
Fascinating
boom.
World of Random.
Fascinating World of Random. That's our other channel. Check it out. And hey, let us know if you're watching tonight. Also, let us know. I'm going back to Ohio in a couple weeks. Do you want us to do some actual in-person shows? Some actual shows in person? Because like for me and Todd to be together in the same room, holding each other's hands and stuff like that. Do you want us to do that?
Oh yeah, let's do that.
That's what we do on our other show, Fascinating World of Random.
Oh man, if you haven't seen Fascinating World of Random, I got to tell you, it's actually a pretty funny show. It's funny. I don't want any spoilers here because I don't know if that episode has come out. But you remember the one where we couldn't hardly get through it because it was just too funny?
Yeah, that's not.
Has that been out yet?
No, your son did nothing.
Okay,
dude.
all right. Well, let's don't blame. Let's don't rip
This
up
is the
Caleb
Fascinating
here.
World of Random, and we have all these different episodes of us being crazy.
And we have episodes that have been filmed that have never been.
Yeah.
Never
all
been
these
released
episodes,
before.
Dude, I found this stuff at my granny's house. It has nothing to do with binary options. But, dude, we have about 10 episodes that have not come out yet. And one of them is so hilarious we almost couldn't get through it.
Yeah, it took us multiple takes because it was just too funny to get through.
Dude, it is hilarious. And tell your son, regardless of whatever his thing is, I'm editing these videos in the next couple weeks.
I'm sure he'll be okay with it.
I'm sure
sure.
Dude, he's had about 11 months to edit them, and I don't think he's done them yet. So, all right, we're coming from this, and we're getting ready to do some wins. So we got to get to it because I'm exhausted. I told Todd I'm out of here at 11. I'm going to bed, dude. In 90 to
all right, but you know how I
minutes.
feel about Eric coming in here with this, like, I'm tired attitude. Like, man, I got to get to bed. Because we are like fired up tonight, man. We're gonna win. We are gonna win 24 trades tonight. We're clearing 2 levels.
Dude, listen, I am all for that. But at 11 o'clock, I'm going to bed. You're ruining my life, dude. Staying up till 1 o'clock in the morning with you, man. After we get off the show, we talk for like another hour and a half. And I'm like, dude, I can't get up in the morning. I mean, dude, I'm going to bed at 11 o'clock from now on. I mean, I want to sustain this long term. I'm setting the timer for 60 minutes. We have 60 minutes. That's when, okay, so the podcast, the podcast on Spotify, iTunes, it's going to be about an hour. And at that hour, we're going to cut the podcast off, and we're going to keep going with our live YouTube session. So if you're on YouTube, and you can see the whole thing. If you're on iTunes and Spotify listening to the actual audio podcast, you're going to get about an hour of our session tonight, and the rest of it, you're going to have to get onto YouTube and check it out. So, do you have anything to say about a butt first?
Yeah, but first let's roll the intro music.
Oh, that is so lame. You are lame.
Wasn't
dude.
it though?
You are. By the way, tonight's topic is strange hobbies. And
strange hobbies.
Yeah,
I've got lots of those.
I know that's all. You're a freaking weirdo. I've got some strange hobbies, dude. I just built this awesome guitar pedal. It's freaking awesome.
Eric collects clipped toenails.
Yeah,
that's his hobby.
I kind of quit doing that, dude. I was only doing that like, up until I was like 40. Then I quit doing that.
Yeah, his hobby is washing old people.
Watching old people?
Washing old people, giving old people baths.
Dude,
he likes to sponge bath old
I don't
people.
think I could do that, actually.
It's from an episode of SpongeBob. He's like, washing an old person?
Washing an old person? Dude, I think we have a double cross opportunity on Facebook like right now. I think this next candle might double cross.
On Facebook? Okay,
yeah.
Well, first of all, hold on. What's our trades?
$1.80. 45 seconds from now, I think this is going to be a double cross.
Well, the
I don't know.
stochastic is already crossed, and the MACD is dang sure about to.
I know, and it could go down to this line down here. So if this candle doesn't just tank, if it opens really hard, I'm going to take it. It looks like it might, and it's got some room to grow. I just don't want it to grow yet.
You got 1 minute on the clock. You got everything set properly.
Yeah, if it opens up hard. If not, I'm not going to take it. I'm not really sure. But if it opens hard, then I think we should take it.
I mean, it looks like it's going down. It looks good to me.
Oh yeah,
that's a good open right there.
That's freaking huge right there.
That was a good opening.
Yeah, that was a massive opening. So we're in this to win it, man. And it's a good position because it's got a little room. It's got a little room to grow. I hope it wins. It's got all the way down to here that it could go.
Well, it might get there faster than we can get, you know.
I mean, it could bounce. It could bounce. The only problem with this is it's kind of a narrow window. If it hits it too soon and bounces, but I don't think it's going to.
No, it's a good cross, so it's got the momentum there to be a good
I wouldn't
win,
re-enter this. If it wins, I would not re-enter because, man, I don't know. Did it already bounce? Jeez. I think it's going to win because I think it's still really
It's still pushing down. It's got 5 seconds, so don't re-enter, but we got it.
There you go, baby. First thing out the window or out the chute. I don't know what you call it. Now, dude, that bounced
right out of the
off
gate.
that line. Right out of the gate. That bounced off that line hard.
Yeah.
That bounced hard off that line. All right, so I got to tell our inner circle, we are live. Going for 12. Join us. First win. Already
roll
done.
it, man. Roll
Already
it.
Going. Oh. Well, hold on a minute. Let me see. I got to roll that. Yeah, I got to say the first win. I've got a lot of buttons. Tell you what, man.
That was a good find there.
That was a big double
Eric.
cross. Big double cross.
I'm going to go try to find...
All right, so we got 13 followers there on our thing. We've been doing this for 45 days. We're on a plan. If you want to get our plan, man, I don't know. Look at this chart. I mean, this chart is like money, dude. This chart is so money. It's been going down. It's been going down. It's going up, down. Like, man, I hope more charts are this very specific tonight. I hope there's some more double crosses in my future. Oh, look at that. Oh man,
about to get one on American Express.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm there. Dude. I'm there. I think if this candle tames down a little bit,
but I'm
here,
not sure if this is gonna be a retraction or what.
Yeah, I think it's a retraction. It's already crossed, unfortunately. In other words, unless. Yeah,
and just the way this chart looks. Yeah,
I think we should hold off this one, just because it's at this very top line of thing, and I think it's going to double. If it double crosses,
I'll be interested to see what it does, but I don't think it's. I don't know. I don't think it's going to go through. I think
that was a massive cross too.
That was a big cross.
But I'm really scared about this line right here. I mean,
I won't be surprised if this just totally tanks.
You know what I've noticed? If you're in a double cross scenario and the candle you're thinking about entering on the next candle, like that green candle that we were thinking, oh, it's going to happen. If it crosses in that candle because of too much up pressure,
yeah,
it generally is not a good entry. Like it's already given its up pressure and now it's bouncing down. I have noticed that. Also, if there's a crick in the MACD leading up to the double cross like it did here, that's almost always followed by a false cross, because the crick that double cross, because that green candle shot up there real high, it wasn't a look at that, dude. We both called that one. Oh, maybe tonight's gonna be an easy good night. Maybe it's gonna be one of those nights.
I'm thinking it will, man.
I hope it does. I feel like last night we got a little bit of our focus back.
Well, with this new plan, we're very well I mean, I just think we're in real good shape. Doesn't mean we should blow it, but that means that.
But we're getting our focus back, because we're not going to be taking a bunch of crazy trades either. So, we're not going to be taking like every single random.
Yeah, we're looking for
theory.
For really one particular thing.
The other night we were kind of.
Okay. Oh yeah. Exxon Mobil might be it looks like it could go down. There's a line down there, but it's not there yet, I don't think. But
Is this a waterfall, bro? I don't know.
It could become one, or it is the start of one, or it's almost over. That's a big candle, but
let's hold because this is a line right here. Let's just wait and see
that's
what
what
happens.
I'm saying. Yeah, it's a big candle. It kind of went straight down to it.
If it can get past this line, maybe. I have a feeling it's gonna consolidate. But dude, yeah, if this goes down, it could go down. I guess
it could be an instant like mother load right here, and it looks like it's kind of going down. Like it might be breaking that line already. I don't know. Time will tell here.
I'm nervous about that. It's got a lot of.
Yeah.
We can watch it because it might, if the stochastic can come back to us. The MACD is.
Well, it already went below it.
The MACD is already down almost to a lowest level. MACD is like not got much more room to grow. It's already down there pretty far. This looks like a turnaround to me. I'll keep watching it because this is kind of a moment of truth. I mean, we could get 5, 6 red candles right here. I think it's slowed up a little bit. It's fighting with that line.
It's going to depend on whether or not this candle goes through or not.
Yeah. Does it go through with some force? What do you think? I mean, these are opened up indicators.
I mean, I think we'd be winning.
Right. Do you think we'd win this next one, though? I almost think maybe.
It just depends how far this is going to go on.
It depends on if it's going to retract, but it hasn't retracted.
It's not real super even. The candles aren't, I mean, there's a lot of force, then a little bit of force, then some retraction.
Do you want to take this, or do you think it's going to go back up?
It's kind of sketchy.
I think it's going to go back up, kind of. I think it's.
Yeah, I'm not really feeling it.
I'm not either, because stochastic's already kind of going up, and the MACD is at already kind of far down. Like, I think, like, I'm not sure that this isn't just going to turn around. It's probably turning around, actually. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to waste too much time on that.
Citigroup is a nice little staircase upward, but it's kind of at a line too, though. But it is.
Oh man, it jumped too.
Yeah.
I don't know.
They're even, but look at the line that it's at.
Yeah, that's at a pretty big line right there. Yeah, and it's retracting. I don't know that it's going to break that line. It hasn't before. It kind of keeps going up and down, up and down. I guess if it breaks that line, we'll know. And if it breaks that line, dude, it's probably going to be a home run up. It's going to be. Let's just watch it though, because I think it wants to retract here.
That's kind of what I think, because it already did. I mean, it
went
a little bit above it, and then.
But you know what though? Position this if this does go above this line, I don't know. It probably isn't gonna stay. Apple is Apple's at a line too. There's a lot of decent looking charts right now. Apple's at a line.
Aren't they always when we find them?
It's got a ways to go, but look at Apple though. Look how powerful it is. Mm-hmm. I'm not so sure that we couldn't call that. It's got a lot of little candles. It went sideways, it went up, went sideways, went up. No, this one's not stair stepping. This one's too far overbought already. I mean, maybe it is going up, but maybe it's just gonna flatten up here. I don't know. The next line for Apple is kind of up there a ways. Do you think it's gonna go or turn? Does this tell you it's gonna turn?
I don't know. Everything's shooting straight up, but there's a lot of little red dojis in the past here. Right. Like every few candles, it seems to do that.
Yeah.
And since we're kind of due for those right now, I would hate to enter and get the one random turnaround.
It might consolidate around that line. It's too late. It's probably too late. American Express might be one that, again, a lot of these have a lot of hills and valleys. So,
Cisco might be going down here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Wide open.
It's not really at a line.
Cisco's been.
Yeah, but it's kind of it's already.
Cisco's not been. There's a lot of charts that are going up and down, up and down, up and down.
Right. It isn't stable. But
McDonald's is kind of doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, look, McDonald's is decent. It just had a double cross. It's at a line though, so if it breaks this line,
it's at a line which both those red candles have hit that line and retracted.
Yeah.
So it may push through those.
Their moving averages were much differently positioned at that point. Right now, we're bouncing off the white line, and so how far is it going to bounce? I don't think very far. That's a massive line. This line is very, very, very important. It's hit it on the bottom. It's hit it on the top. I mean, this is a massive line. I don't know. Let's watch it, because if it breaks through this and goes another like candle below it.
Well, look at Microsoft real quick.
Okay.
It's kind of doing the same thing, but I think it's turning around as we speak.
Yeah. There's a lot of up and down in this chart too. Okay, so maybe this is the night of double crosses.
And I'm seeing a lot of straight red candles, not any kind of green thrown into there.
ExxonMobil is possibly going to double cross. I don't know. It's kind of slowed down.
Up towards a white line, but it's kind of a crazy looking chart.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if it's going to double cross or not. Now it doesn't look like it. I know I can find one though. I'm not going to stress out about this, because in the end of the evenings we've been finding these massive wins.
Right, and they're not happening till like midnight.
I'm just going to wait and see. Do you think that Twitter, it's going to be too late. Twitter just looks like nuts, man.
Hey, don't be dissing Twitter.
It just double crossed.
No, the chart does.
I tweeted today for the first time in probably like 2 or 3 years.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't say what I tweeted on this show, but
right, yeah.
It was
because it's a non-political show, but I'm sure people can use their imagination.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go look for currency pairs. None of these look really. We're one win down. We're one win into this night.
One down, 11 to go.
Man, looks like. I don't trust that at all. Ooh, NZD-USD, dude. NZD-USD. I think we might actually have one here. It's gonna set up for a double cross on the down. Now this candle can't be taken seriously, but
I don't know, man. I think this.
I'm waiting for the double cross. It looks like it's retracting now.
I don't know that it's going to. I think it's going to just kind of go up and down.
Yeah. Oh, dude, you got crumble Euro RUB. Oh my gosh, we missed like 12 green candles, and it doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon.
Euro RUB.
Yeah, Euro RUB is a real flyaway.
Red candles or green candles?
Yeah, green.
Yeah.
You think we should take a call on this next candle in 20 seconds?
Well, I mean, it's due to turn around any time. I mean,
it's due to just drop a little red candle here and then keep going up. I mean,
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I mean, I wouldn't. The chances that you'll get the. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of big climbs and falls tonight, though.
Right, I think this is going. This one's fallen very steadily. Now it's climbing very steadily. On this position, I'd almost be more into like a 2-minute, like right now, because it's kind of down a little bit.
Yeah, the stochastic is already cricking, though. Already cricking down.
Well, that is true.
And I mean, when I see that many, I feel like we're late to the party.
There's 12. Yeah, that's a lot.
That means it's ready to.
Euro NZD. Okay, Euro NZD is kind of set up almost the exact thing of that chart, only we're much earlier to the party. 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles up, It's got a little ways to go. Euro NZD. It's got a pretty good ways to go till it gets to that top level. And of course the MACD just crossed down on itself, but I think
I'm not convinced. I think this one's going down a couple of candles.
Kind of flattened out there. Visa. Dang.
Okay.
Amazon is actually...
You missed a cross, a double cross on USD RUB.
Okay, look at Amazon. It's actually getting ready to double cross. It's in a good position, and it's been going up for a while. If it's not gonna, I don't know if this candle's gonna cross. But you think this candle's going down? I think we could anticipate the... I don't want to anticipate it, but if it gets ready to cross soon.
No, because it's kind of stopping at a consolidation line. That's kind of a big consolidation.
Okay, this
area.
right here, they're kissing right now. They're going down. They're at a consolidation point right here. Right?
Yeah.
But like if this next candle has a strong double
but I'm not
cross,
sure if this candle's going to flip up green or if it's going to just keep going down because it's kind of stuck in this area. And that's what I was worried about.
No, but just watch it. Watch it, because if it... Just watch it. If it turns and goes down from here and double crosses, I think we should take it. That's if it does. If it does. Because it could go to that white line, for sure.
Yeah, I mean, the lines on the MACD are touching already.
And this is the perfect timing, actually. So if it crosses down at this time, in 5 seconds, if that candle goes down and it opens up like with a cross...
Now they're not even touching.
Well, watch this. Watch this. Hold on.
That was kind of a weak opening, but I think you might have it.
Well, I mean, it opened. And it's moved down.
It did open. It did open. We could win this. I'm hoping we do.
It did open, and it's been going down.
But the only thing that scares me about it...
It was kind of butted up against that consolidation
Like I
line,
said, this whole
above
area is like a consolidation. From that big green candle, that kind of is a big consolidation area.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go down. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. It's wicked out down there. It's been down there.
It can do it. It can do it. All it's got to do is go down a little bit. There we go.
It's like got the sack of potatoes. Come on, you got a sack of potatoes on you.
Oh,
I don't know. I think that
we lost it because it jumped up massively right at the last second. At the start of the next candle.
That was.
I was worried about that, bro. I told you that's a consolidation area. That whole area. It's staying right in there.
Okay, next trade is going to be 410. What do we have? Yeah, it's kind of weak, but it was a decent cross. It wasn't massive, but it was in the right direction.
But what scared me, like I said, in that whole area was just
this right here.
Screamed consolidation.
This, yeah.
Citigroup though. Citigroup is about to be that.
Okay, let's do it. Oh yeah, dude. It's kind of the same. Okay.
And there's only 8 seconds left on this candle.
Okay, if this opens, I'm going to take it.
Be sure it's a good one, though.
Okay, you tell me.
Well, I can't tell you. I don't have...
I mean, that opened. That went down there and opened up, and this stochastic is going down. Of course, this is kind of an uptrend, I guess. Oh, yeah, it's still going.
It's still going down.
That wasn't a massive, giant opening, but it did open. And it's...
If we get a good push here, we'll be in good shape.
I think it's generally going down. In fact, this one, if it wins...
I'm not
so sure we couldn't re-enter this one if it wins. I'm going to set back to 180 in case this wins.
Well, I hope this wins. I think it'll push down here. I'm thinking it's going to push down.
It's like got a big old sack of potatoes.
I like it to push down.
10-gallon jug of water just got thrown on it.
Yeah, look at that. It's going down.
8, 7. I'm going to re-enter this if you think. Well, I don't know. It's at a
No,
consolidation.
I wouldn't
hold.
re-enter. I would not re-enter. This is a one-off here.
Maybe.
Would not go for another one.
It goes either way, but it's at a consolidation line. Look at it. Boom. There it is.
But we got the win. That's all that matters.
I forgot to start my timer.
What timer?
The one that I was going to start when I said we're leaving. I just need to know. I need to know when to end the podcast. You know what I mean? When to actually end the audio version of the podcast.
Right.
And then
this city group here isn't really moving that consistently.
I don't know, man. This one we could take another. I don't know, dude. Look, the moving averages are crossing. Like, do you think this will start waterfalling? That's 3 small.
It's a possibility.
Let's
it is
take
a possibility.
this next one because I don't see it going back up. I mean, it's spread out. It's going down.
All right.
I mean, it's going slow too, and it's going steady.
It is going slow. It could be a big waterfall.
I don't know that I'd want to bid through the white or trade through the white line on this, but
right. But it might make it to there. It is consistently going down. This looks like it's gonna. I would be surprised if this candle were to turn around.
This chart has a lot of big swooping downtrends. I mean, like little, not little, but strong enough. I think it's going to the white line. I think we should take another one if this wins.
But it could hit that. It could hit that white line and just.
But it's gonna need another candle to hit that white line. Plus, look at the position of the MACD and the stochastic. They're both still pretty high up in their movement. In other words, they're swooping down from a high level. They're not like already down there. Let's take it 7-6. Yeah, I think this one's. This is steady down pressure. I think we at least get one more out of this.
It kind of jumped down, so you got a good position there.
Yeah, the only problem is if this hits the white line and rejects off of it, but. Generally, it's been touching and even going through the white line a little bit. So that was a win. Let's win that one out. There. Now, think about this. We have 30 seconds. If this candle's red, are we going to think that it's going to go through? Or do we just stop now?
This is really thin, so...
It's still got pressure, but I think that this could completely go down, but I just don't know if it's going to go all the way through the white line.
I would not take another one. I would not take. I think we'll win this one. I really want to think we're going to win this one. I think we will. I think we got it. Come on.
There we got it. I think we got it. We got it. Oh,
we got it. Yeah, but I don't know that I would take another one just. That was 4 wins, wasn't it?
That was 4 total, yeah. 4 wins, 3 in a row. I don't know. We should keep watching this because this could. I may just get off this one because I don't think this is showing a lot of it's been bouncing off this. I'd almost take a rejection trade off this line.
Yeah.
Well,
let's go find something else. I don't know that.
I don't know what's going through there, and what is this?
But man, I'm finding a lot of charts tonight. There's a lot of look at Netflix. Look at all those wins right there. We just we somehow overmissed.
I know. That's what I'm saying. There's some good movers right now, and we're at
so right now. I think that a night like tonight would be a night where there's really no excuse to go very deep into trades.
No, not at all. We've only gone to second trade one time.
This is
So do you think we should call this right here? Or do you think it's over?
Well, if it's not over, it's got to be close. Yeah, because they don't do that forever. But I don't know how much longer it's going to go. But
it's already been down to this level. It's probably going to consolidate down on this line. It could keep going. But, yeah, that's a pretty line.
We want to find something that...
It's a nice, steady line, though.
Something that's about to start doing that, but hasn't quite done it yet.
What was that Citigroup that we're on? I think Citigroup still might actually be... No, it's going to stop out on the line. Is Netflix going to give us another push, though, and give us another, of 10 candles. It could go up quite far from here if it goes up to its highest line up here. Let's see. Yeah, it could go up to that line. And it could go up even higher to that next line up there.
What are you talking about now?
Netflix. I mean, Netflix is rounding out though. I'm not so sure it won't just keep going, but
I'm still looking at Citigroup. I want to see what it's going to do. It's kind of pushing through that line right now.
Is it? Well, if you think it's going to keep going, then I'm with you. But I thought it was stalled out. Oh yeah.
Well, it was for a second there, but it looks like it could.
I mean, the MACD is still in great position. Like, do you think we should take this next trade? I mean, if it's going, it's going. In terms of candle pressure, do you think it's going to go? Or do you think it's going
in terms of pressure, heck yes, it's good. I mean, everything indicator-wise and pressure-wise all checks out. I mean, the only thing that might give some retraction is just
let's
the
just
position.
go for it because it might go through. If it's going, it's going. It's our first trade. Let's take it. I mean, if it's going,
because it could be a massive fall from here. I don't know.
Right. It could consolidate. You know.
No, I don't think it's going to consolidate.
Several lines along the way, but I mean,
I don't get the idea it's consolidating. I think it's going down, is what it looks like it's doing.
Right.
Everything about it says it's going down.
Well, it flattened out at the line, and then it went ahead and went through it. So, and the MACD, the stochastics opened up again.
Now that it's made it through, I think it's, I think it's pretty safe to, as long as it stays there. As long as it keeps pushing down, which I think it wants to do. So, I don't like that at all. But
no, that's not good.
That was kind of a massive turnaround.
Mm-hmm. That might be like the rejection that you would look for, but it's got 8 seconds. Let's see what happens. Come on now.
Nope, it's a loss. Dang.
We'll keep watching it. We're going to go to 410, and we're going to see if...
I guess it did consolidate there. Well, kind of.
Well, now, yeah. Let's just be careful on that. Netflix is consolidating on that line as well. But Netflix is actually possibly going to double cross and go down from here if it doesn't.
Netflix?
Yeah. It's possibly going to double cross and go down from up there at some point soon.
You think it will?
Jeez. Yeah. I mean, I think that's its next move. I mean, it's high, it's overbought. It's cricked, and it's starting to head down now. How far? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, how is it gonna go down or is it gonna go up? I still think it's still undecided. So I can't say that.
Like it could just go back up from here and keep going.
Right. It could, because it's at a massive
or it's gonna
line.
fall, but it could fall slowly. I don't know.
If the MACD would cross, then we might be good. Yeah, Citigroup is going up from there too. Citigroup is. I'm not doing any of that. Oh man, look at Facebook real quick. Facebook is strong. Facebook is strong on the call right now. It's got a good double cross set up, and actually in 30 seconds, if this, I don't know. It's not quite double crossed yet, but I think.
Well, the MACD isn't even close enough together to do.
Yeah, but it might just shoot up there. Look at that. I mean, it wants to go up. It hit the bottom. I think it's going to cross. Like, I think it's going to get ready to cross and go to the white line. Do you think I should take a call on this next candle? Think this next candle's going to be green?
No. No, I don't.
Okay.
Not like
for sure.
in the middle of the candle.
You just got thrown out, dude. Okay, so
I did for a second.
Yeah, this one right here is tricky because what if this double crosses on a call? What if this double crosses? Look at everything. Look at the position of this. It hit this line down here. I don't know though. It's not gonna double cross, is it?
Why did I get thrown out?
Your internet connection got kind of shoddy there for a second, and it just went. Okay.
Where are you at now? What's that, Netflix?
Netflix is going back up, but it's still just consolidating. Citigroup is still consolidating. Facebook is not going back up like I thought it was. You were totally right on that one. Never double crossed, and we're on a second trade. And unless
we're gonna win it, we're not.
Look at Boeing, dude. Look at Boeing. Boeing is like killer.
Oh, yeah, and it's not at any line that I see.
The line is right there. It's underneath.
I mean, there is way back there. There's a line way back there. Yeah. So I don't know.
It's kind of weird because it double crossed. It kind of just shot down. It hit a low point. Now it's kind of retracting. We need to watch Boeing. If it could break out of this, then. But it's at a pretty strong line, like a really strong line. So yeah. I'm not sure. What do you think it's going to do? You think that's just a green candle?
Well, it's been as low as it has been high.
Yeah.
So I tend to think with all this upright, either go up or consolidate.
Okay. Netflix is one to watch for the next 10 minutes because it's just straight away. It's just straight. It's just like consolidating on this point. If it can decide to do something, then I almost think that it's going to decide to go up. But it could not. It could just sit there forever. So what was that? Netflix?
Hey, look at Tesla real fast. Look at this. Look what's happening on Tesla. Yeah. So it's about to cross, but I don't trust it because look at that big consolidation. Yeah. Nothing about that shows like it's going to break out. That looks like a good place to get burned.
Yeah, let's watch it because I mean that could cross and just be a great trade, but it's already crossed. See, it's crossed already because
right. That's what I'm saying.
So like this next one could be a turnaround. Yeah, because I don't know. There has to be some sort of momentum for the double cross to work because you're going on momentum. You're going on the fact that it's going to cross over and it's going to have about a minute that it's going to kind of get pushed that direction.
Now, having said that, this red candle right here, I almost feel like you could call it here.
Which one are you on? Which one?
Tesla. Because I tend to think it's going to go up from here, though.
Oh, yeah. I think you could call it from here. Yeah.
Because it feels like it wants to go up.
You want to call it?
Well, it's not down there anymore.
Right here? Oh, man. Come on down. Come on down. Because I think this next
But now it's almost the end of the candle, so I don't know yet.
Just call it here because it's going up.
Well, not necessarily.
Yeah, it might consolidate.
Don't chance it.
Yeah, it might consolidate. But you were right when
it was way down there. I thought we'd have a position that, it would still be higher than that.
Right. But yeah, it had to get under that consolidation point. See, it's just consolidating at a higher level.
Right. That's why I was really thinking about the call right there. So
I got to be on the other side. Yeah, I don't believe that chart anymore. I mean, I think it's going up. I mean, I think we could wait for another dip and make a call because I think it's going up. I think it's going to go up to the white line, right? Don't you? Like I think we could call it from here. Like right. You want me to call it on this candle?
Hold on, I'm not even on it. You're on Tesla, right?
It's going back down there. Tesla, you want me to call this?
But the fact that it's going back down there means it could be staying down there. No, now I think it's going down. I think that.
Okay,
yeah,
we're getting into just ideas.
Way out of our strategy.
But Boeing and Company is on a white line. It double crossed. I missed it. I would have won this one had I been looking. So I'm going to quit looking at stupid crap. That's just a bunch of thoughts. Is it going to double cross and is it going to be real or is it going to not? Like Apple. Look at Apple, dude. Apple is just consolidated, went down, and it shot up. Do you think it's going up from here?
Well, it's about to cross. The MACD is about to cross.
Yeah. So if the MACD crosses, do you think I can take this?
I don't know. I mean, that's kind of a weird breakout. It looks really odd to me.
Out. Let's see if it
looks
crosses.
really odd.
Take it. It looks really odd, but but it's way above its area of where it was.
I think it's going up, bro. I'm gonna
stayed for a while.
I'm gonna be positive and say it's going up because I think it is. I mean, it's
yeah, it definitely stayed for a while down there. Then it shot down like there's 2 red candles, and then it just shot up, and it hasn't stopped going up, and it double crossed up too. So it might be volatile, but it actually might be another reentry after this because I think it might be going up to that next level.
It could break out. I mean, it could.
1.8.
It could be.
Yeah, dude, it stayed straight so long. Let's just take this next candle if this wins, because it's up. It's up.
You got it set for $1.50.
$1.80.
Or $1.80. Sorry. You got the decimal in there.
Yeah, they're both up. That's a strong green candle. Unless it just turns around. I mean, because I think it's going to
go
up.
This might be a nice climb, dude. This could be a climb.
Yeah, it could be. I don't know.
That was a win, bro.
Funky. Oh, that's a win. Yeah, let's write that down and make it out. Funky town right here, but because it stayed flat for so long and finally broke over it, I kind of feel like it's made some decisions.
This could be a bit of a climb here,
and it doesn't have much above it, dude. I mean, it's going to get to it. That next line is a strong line. I think we could take another one on this because I think it might go to that line.
Okay.
Although that next line is strong.
This is a 5th or 6th. So yeah, go for the next one. It's moving strongly, and it's a nice climb.
6, that means we're halfway there.
Yes, it does, Bon Jovi.
All right, we got to get this win in. I should have taken it like 8 seconds before because it was like down and it pulsed up twice. Hindsight, but still, I would have been winning even now because it pulsed up several pulses like right before it. Okay, what's it doing now? Going down? What did it do? Where did it hit?
Not necessarily.
Okay, it hit this line of uncertainty. It hit a line of uncertainty. 10 seconds, 8 seconds. Come on. Let's get back up there.
This one's going to be a loss.
That's going to be a loss. All right, let's keep going.
No, that's okay.
What's 410? All right, let's go back up to Netflix. Oh, dude, look at Netflix. Dang it. It did it, dude. It broke out.
Netflix?
Yeah, but it's at a line. It broke out. It gave some seriously good roll up. It's at another line. Look at Netflix because we were watching it. And it was
I'm looking at it. Yeah,
it hit that.
I mean, it got. We wouldn't, even if we had been following it, we would have only jumped in about 3 candles back.
Ago. Yeah, 3 candles back. So this one is probably.
We'd have gotten the same number of wins there that we got on the last one.
This is a no-go probably, right? Because it's really narrow and it's at a line.
At this point, no-go.
But it's going, if it can get through this area, which is a very tumultuous area for this chart, right in here, it could go up.
Tumultuous, that's a big word.
Tumultuous, I know. I've never used that on the platform, on the podcast.
I've never heard you say it.
Tumultuous. It's, yeah, see, I don't know. I don't like this because of this right
Look at
here.
Euro
right
RUB, dude.
Euro RUB.
Yeah, do you think this is going to step down to that line down there, or what do you think it's going to do?
Oh, I don't know, bro. Down to here? I don't know.
Yeah, do you think it's going to go down to that line?
No. You got another line of consolidate. You got another line right here that it just hit. kind of like went under it, went up. It's got a lot of. I do think Netflix is going up to the line though. Can we take Netflix? I can take Netflix, right?
I'm not even on it. Hold on.
Well, I mean, I can't take it now because you're not looking, but.
Well, yeah, I mean, I'm there now, but dude, do you think it's going there?
Well, I don't know. I mean, it hasn't stopped going up. I mean, I think we should probably consider it. I mean, it's a second trade. It's wide open. It's going slowly up, and it has retracted a slight bit. Let's wait for the next one. In fact, if it scoops down a little bit from here, I don't know. I mean, I think that's pretty up. I mean, that's pretty up there, dude. It's been going up. It retrieved. It went up. I mean, I think it's going up again. Look at it. Think I should take this next one or no?
Well, the next one's going to be the one to bounce off of it. If it's going to bounce, the next one's going to be the one.
Maybe. I should probably take it like right here. Should I just take it?
I wouldn't. I don't trust it, dude. It's been green this many times, dude. It is due for a turnaround. And this candle right here.
This is a big line right here. This is a big line.
Yeah, and this candle's going to be the one to bounce. Yeah, if you would have taken that, we'd be losing it. And that doesn't mean it won't go up.
It's so steady up for so long. I'm not sure that. I mean, it doesn't show a lot of, almost no bottom wicks on these candles, and just very small up step. The only problem is it's been pushing through all these lines, and it's got one more to go through, and it's got a bunch. It's got a lot of lines. I'm not sure that See, it's still winning now. It would have been winning now. It would have won. Yeah, because I was going to take it down here. Now it's narrow on the top, and the MACD is crossing, and it could start consolidating. Boeing's at 70, whatever. Okay, we're on a second trade. So
yeah, and I'm looking at other charts. I'm looking at silver. I'm getting off of silver.
I want to find me a good double cross. Apple.
Or crude Apple. Potentially could cross.
No, that looks
maybe. Yeah.
Intel. McDonald's. Microsoft.
Okay. Look at Brent oil real quick. This is a good climb, but that's a strong candle, so.
I mean, I don't know that. Is that a step up? Think about your old method. Is that a step up?
It's not, doesn't have the look to it that I like to see, but that doesn't mean that it isn't, that it isn't going up. It's not a nice stair step. It's got some kind of big candles in it.
If it shoots down like right here, should I call it? Should I go ahead and call? Oh, dang it! Should I call it when it goes red? Or does that mean it's going to go down?
Not necessarily, because dude, that could be a stupid trade. Is that a line back there?
Yeah, it is at a line.
I don't want to be stupid. I want to take a second trade.
Well, the MACD is, yeah, okay.
If we're on a second trade, there's no need to go deep just to go deep in trades here.
Yeah, well, I get you.
Let's treat this second trade. If we lost the first, I want to treat the second like it's fifth, you know?
Yeah, because... yeah, that one would have been iffy to me. What about USD RUB? It's at a line too, but it's stair stepped. It's on 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth green candle in the stair step.
What are we looking at?
Euro RUB.
Oh, I thought you're okay. Euro RUB.
Yeah, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 green stair steps. It's kind of all pointing up.
Oh man, that looks sketchy as heck, dude. Those are really thin, dude. There's no way I'd get involved.
It could come off. It could come off bad there. I mean, I've seen a lot better. I guess I can say.
Yeah, me too.
A lot of charts that kind of look like they could be good, but okay, Netflix is fighting, man. It's flat again. I'm gonna keep watching Netflix. It's flattened out again. Oh, it's possible that Netflix is on its way back down, dude. Pretty soon, in the next 5 minutes, it could double cross. It's the MACD is the stochastic's already crossed. It's at that massive support line.
What are we looking at? Netflix.
Netflix, yeah. I mean, psychologically, I think Netflix could step back down from here. In fact, if
this candle has the size of a kind of a breakout, so it's like going away from the
right. If this crosses, should I take it? Because the MACD the stochastic already crossed, and the MACD is like getting ready to cross.
It's kind of gutsy, but this candle, I would be tempted to take the next candle in a put, but
well, if it opens up, I'll take it.
Just because it's retracted within within the perimeters of the consolidation, so I would not do that now. I wouldn't trust it now.
Yeah, well, it didn't cross; it kissed. So now we're in the idea.
Well,
of it's possible that it goes back up from here.
It still looks like consolidation.
It's still semi-consolidation, yeah. Until it breaks down from here. I mean,
there's no semi. It's just it's consolidation. I mean, it's what it looks like. Until it breaks like downward, then
yeah. Like if that would have been a double cross and that wouldn't have retracted, then I would have believed it.
I feel like with this candle hanging low, though, you could almost put here and engage candle, but.
Well, if it
you know
crosses,
what I'm saying? Not even with the cross. While it was green, we should have taken a put. Because I had a feeling it was just going to do that.
Well, let's watch this. If this opens up from right here, we're taking a put. If it opens, like if this opens up.
But you got to also take into consideration it could throw another green candle and then...
I have to take into consideration only if it crosses like a.
I mean, that was a good cross, dude. It's a good cross.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It looks like it's going to go down from here.
It looks like it's changing, and it is, and it crossed. So if it loses, that's okay because this is just part of the
that's not okay. We're going to win this.
I think we're going to win this. I think it's going to go. I think it's going to go down for a while. Actually, I'll reset to 180, and if this actually looks like a breakout down, I think we should just keep going. We might win the rest of our trades right here.
That's a very, very good possibility.
So this is a second trade, right?
This is
this is a second trade.
I'm trusting this is going to be a win.
This is a very slow-moving chart too, dude. So this is actually good. I'm actually feeling pretty good about this.
But it's part, so I think we got this. 5 seconds.
Come on, baby.
Boom, we got it.
There we go.
That's the 7th win.
7th win. Here we go, baby. Let's make that happen. Come on now. Come on. Don't consolidate.
Go down.
You just want to go down. You feel the urge to just go downtown. Listen to some country music. Go downtown with your friends. Drink a few non-alcoholic beers. Listen to your friends. Let's play some music. That's what I'm talking about.
Exactly.
That's what I'm talking about.
Big push downward. Big push downward.
Come on now.
Come on.
Come
big
on.
Push down. Big, not up. Downward.
Big
seconds.
Push down. There you go.
Big
there
push
go.
Down. Big push
come
down.
On, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on,
big
come
push
on.
Down. Oh, dang.
Dang
lost
it. Dang it. Dang it.
That was a narrow.
So close. So close.
Yeah.
So close, dude. That was like so close of a win. In fact, I think, I don't know. I'm not convinced on this one right now. That was so close, bro. That was like, I'm so mad because that was so close. It's not that big of a deal. I'm not getting mad. That's 7 wins.
Well, I mean, that was a first trade, right?
That was a first trade. And it just was, I mean, that was red. I don't know how that lost, man. I'm not going to focus on that. Yeah, 410.
410 now?
410.
All right, go to Alibaba real quick.
I like Alibaba. They changed the world, man. What's Alibaba doing?
Excuse me.
Is Alibaba?
It's in a big uptrend.
It's pretty flat right now, but I mean, do you think it's gonna?
It was.
Should I take a call?
But no, don't do nothing yet. But I'm feeling this is gonna just round out. It's been in a big up, but I tend to think it could round out and go down.
Okay. Oh man, I'm so still just perturbed about that loss.
Kind of like the last. That was just a matter
so
of
close.
position.
I thought, yeah. Actually, and Netflix is actually. I'm not going to go back to there because it's just moving so slow. Alibaba is.
You think it's going to consolidate, or you think it's going down?
Big picture, I think it's.
Now it's just kind of sideways right now, but.
Yeah.
And right now it's kind of in a consolidation range, so nothing yet, but it could.
I don't know. It's just looking kind of weird. I'm gonna keep moving here.
Yeah, me too.
We got 7 wins. Okay, not doing bad, man. 7 wins. That's good. That's real good right there. 7 wins. We gonna find us a breakout? No, I don't know. Maybe.
This big old chart with a breakout on it.
I mean, McDonald's could be that.
What about Twitter? Twitter? I don't know. No, not Twitter.
Gotta keep an eye on McDonald's because it's heading down to a massive level. I'm gonna go look at Twitter. I marked the level of McDonald's. If it gets down there and goes below, it could go crazy. Yeah, no, Twitter's just farting around, I think.
Yeah, I kind of noticed that after I said something.
I think it's just farting around. McDonald's, though, is been in a down kind of push, and if it gets below this big, thick line, then it's probably got a long way to go. If I can get down here. I don't know that it's going to. I mean, next 5 or 10 minutes it could. It's got several levels of... Oh, that's too low. It's got several levels of... yeah. Oh, Netflix, dude. Okay, Netflix is still going down. It's got some more force. It's heading towards a white line, though. I can't really tell. I don't know. I'm not super convinced, but seems dangerous. Okay, I need something that's a little more convincing for a second trade. No, I take it back. A lot more convincing. A lot more.
Yeah.
I need something a lot more convincing. Some of this stuff's not super convincing.
That's true.
Everything's kind of in the middle, just kind of playing around.
I'm going to look at commodities here. Let's see, that crap. That looks like crap. And silver looks like crap.
NZD-USD. It just had... It's possible that it's stepping up now. I don't know. It's got 2 green candles. It had a double cross. It's moving upwards. It's kind of...
well, there's kind of a consign right back there behind it.
Right here? Yeah. Well,
it's aligned with a consolidation line. It could break above that. Well, I mean the one that it's at right now, like the one a little bit lower.
Yeah, the one that those candles hit.
Right there, yeah.
You know, that one right there. So you think it's going to go, like, does this look like a step up to you or no? No, it kind of looks like a push up. I mean, it kind of pushed up really fast. Ooh, man. Sucker. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna do it either. That'd be a heck of a trade right there. That'd be a scary one.
RUB right now is your crossover. It's at a white line. It's already crossed, but it's.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I just don't know that it's not just gonna flip over. That's just gonna flip.
Oh, it most likely will. Yeah, it's right at a line.
Okay, McDonald's. I was watching McDonald's. Oh yeah, McDonald's is. They get down to these consolidation lines or these lines of resistance, and they hang out there. I guess we're learning. Man.
I'm starting to see some charts with a bunch of wicks and that aren't moving as smooth as some of the others did.
Netflix is actually at a white line. Possible that it breaks that and goes down for quite a bit of way. I still am just keeping my eye on it.
It has really smooth patterns, though.
It does. It does. It's been moving pretty slow. That's actually kind of good for me. McDonald's is almost ready to double cross. It hit some pretty low lines. It's been going down, up, down, up. Let's see. It obeyed the cross there. Oh, dude, I think we should take a call on McDonald's in this next candle. It's got 30 seconds. If this candle gives us a double cross, there's a chance that it's going to go up. It's hit a pretty flat spot down there, and it's kind of heading back up. What do you think? Are you in? 20 seconds.
Do you have the amount set and everything?
$4.10. Yeah, and if it crosses, this next candle is going to go up.
Well, the problem is that it's got a lot of power really close.
Right now. I know, but if it crosses big.
So if it hits that, it could bounce. Yeah, I'm afraid this candle's scaring me, though.
That's a massive cross, though.
Well, then take it if you feel like you should.
Well, I didn't take it.
It's retracting a lot. But you might be in a good position with that if it's gonna keep going up at all.
It is kind of retracting,
then,
isn't it? But it double crossed like a son of a gun. It double crossed like a friggin' son of a gun.
That don't matter because that candle manipulated it.
Yeah, but it came up to it smooth from that bottom. This could still win.
It could.
It came up from that bottom position. It smoothly. I mean, I got a better position because of what you said. It smoothly came up to that double cross. It didn't break up to that double cross. It smoothly came up. I got 10 seconds. Come on.
Go up.
Push up. Come on. You're
go
gonna
up.
Right
go
now.
up.
You're
go
gonna
up.
Go up right now. Come on. Dang it.
Nope.
Dang it.
All right. Third trade, bro.
9:30.
Yeah, you got to watch it. If the candle itself is just manipulating the indicator, then it's not really a true cross. It's just.
Yeah. I thought that one had a smooth enough approach. It obviously it didn't. You pretty much called it.
No, I was scared as heck it was just going to do exactly what it did.
All right, well, you better find me a good candle then. We're on a third trade. I'm about not to make any more trades. I'll just sit here and wait for you to tell me to get one.
I'm looking.
All right, we're on 7 wins. We're on a martingale on the 7th. On the second, on a third trade. We have 7 wins so far. Yeah, we need a good, solid, real deal. ExxonMobil could be flipping around. It's kind of double crossing right now, but it's I don't know. You look at it and tell me if it says anything to you.
Look at what?
ExxonMobil. Oh, Tesla. Man, I don't know. Tesla's about to double cross. Dang it. I could have won that one. I mean, Tesla's just almost the exact thing that I just lost on.
It's also 79%.
It's also going to win, probably, because it crossed over right there. Starts going up. Might hit that white line and reject, but that would have been a good one. I wish I would have seen that. I got to see these a little earlier. I kind of just, yeah, that would have been a big win. That would have been a big double cross win right there. Dang it.
Okay, Twitter is a possible, I mean, it's sort of crossing. So.
Yeah, I mean, you think it's going down from here? If it opens up, I mean, I would believe it. You just tell me. You tell me if you think if it opens to take it.
I mean, yeah, it looks like it's pretty steady. I mean, I don't see anything that it's all coming out of overbought.
Okay.
So
if it opens, I'm gonna take it. There. Oh, that's huge. Come on, baby.
That was a good opening. I don't see any reason why this would lose. I see no reason for this to lose.
I trust you, and that's a waterfall, dude. This will be an 8th win, I think.
Yeah.
Come on, baby, let's go down. Come on, baby, let's go downtown. See your friends, get some non-alcoholic drinks. Take
Coca-Cola and iced tea.
If this wins, the podcast is actually going to be ending here. If you're watching with us live on YouTube, stay with us. We're going to do a short bumper for the podcast as you listen to us on a podcast. Make sure you like us, give us a share, a like. Like I said, live stream on YouTube is going to continue for the next few wins. We're going to win this candle. Do you want to enter this again? Is this going down? I think so. Let's do it.
I'd pause because line.
Okay, I'm going to pause because you're the guy that I trust. Oh,
I mean,
man, who knows?
We'll go through it.
That's going to win. And for those of you listening on podcast, Apple, Spotify, iTunes, things like that, thanks for watching. We're going to roll this bumper for you, and we'll see you on the next episode. Make sure you visit our YouTube channel to see the rest of our live stream tonight. Crap, I almost ended the stream. Yeah, we're back.
Oh yeah, let's don't actually end the stream. All right, I called that right to say to not enter that next.
Yeah, look at that thing.
Because
it's just sitting there.
It hit that white line and boom.
All right, we need 4 more wins. We have been doing
now
this
we're
only
out of
40 minutes.
Yeah, we're
not 40 minutes
on the martingale anymore though. Back to a first trade.
Thank God. That was a good call, bro. That was a good call.
It wasn't a call, it was a put, but yeah.
I'm going to quit jumping the gun. I've jumped the gun a couple tonight. But, oh, man.
Yeah, you did. That's all right. What you
looking
look
at? McDonald's, dude. Is McDonald's going to actually go up from here? Look at it. I mean, is it going to continue stepping up? I think it would be almost realistic to think it is. I don't know.
No. It's at a consolidation line, dude.
Yeah, and it's above the white line for a second.
So I would be hesitant on that.
Let's watch it because at some point McDonald's has to just go up.
I mean, it could go up.
Yeah,
I'm just saying
look at the pattern of it, though. You're right. The pattern is, it says nothing about a breakout. The pattern says it's going to go up 3 or 4, 5, 6. It's going to go down 3 or 4 or 5. It's going to just keep doing that. Yeah. I mean, Netflix.
Yeah, I mean, if it could launch up past that, I would be likely to consider it, but I don't know that it's going to do that.
We need 4 more wins. Oh
man, one nice
dude. American
waterfall. American
Express might be a waterfall. It's above its line of. It's above all of its lines right now. It's been going up pretty good amount of money. It's above all of its lines. That was the last big line.
American
It broke
Express
through it. Yeah, it broke through this last big line right here, and it's just pushing up. I mean, it's got some wicks on it. It's had some
I don't like the pattern of it.
Right, but
that is not a chart that I would get.
But look at it, dude. If you think about it, position long term, it hasn't. It broke above. It broke above that. It's been that big line I put on there has been almost like for days the top level of its resistance. The next one is
look at Cisco, like right now. Look at Cisco.
Okay, so I'm gonna come back to American Express because I think that one's probably gonna head up from here. Okay, yeah. What do you think?
I think that this. I know we've kind of talked about this, but if it hits that line, I would take a put. This is one that I can almost guarantee you is not going through there.
Okay, how far?
I mean, not based on its history. I don't know though. I don't. I mean,
I'm ready.
You never can know for sure. But I tend to think it's going. But hold on, it's at the end of the candle. So wait, because this one's probably going to go up through there. If it, I'll tell you when. Don't do anything till I say if you should do something, because I don't know. We might have already went as high as it's going to go. Or it could just slip through there, but stochastic is already kind of high.
You could kind of put it right here, right? Because it's going back down from here, it looks like. I mean, it's rejecting
or it's going to consolidate here.
Yeah. Yeah, you tell me what you think. I'm in if you think. I mean, I think we could reject it off this.
I almost think you could take a call if this candle shoots down. Because I think if it consolidates here, you'll be at the bottom of the line.
You're just making crap up now. Are we bouncing off this line?
No, I'm reading the chart here. I'm interpreting what I see. It's been in a massive, massive downtrend. But see, if you'd have made a call from down there, I'm telling you.
But look, it's not. I think it's having a hard time, dude. Right now, it's not wanting to go above that white line. That's a second rejection on it.
I know. And I told you it was going to do that.
If I made a call up there, I'd be losing it right now.
Depends how far down it goes. Maybe. But I think it could consolidate right up there. It would still be above your...
So is it rejecting it now, or am I calling it?
You're not doing anything yet. Did you set it to $1? Are you on $1.80?
Yeah, $1.80. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, because this one's like...
I wouldn't do anything yet. Thank you, Jonathan Jones from YouTube. Lovely work so far at work, but I'll tune in to the video tonight. Thank you.
That's a full-out rejection trade, dude.
Didn't I say it would be?
Yeah, but then when you
But it didn't ever touch it, so we...
It did touch it. That red candle touched it. That red flag touched it right there. It almost touched it, then it touched it, and now it's heading back down. You were right. About the call, you were totally wrong. But about the other one, you were right. You might have won that call because you set it down there when it was kind of low.
It would have been expired by the time.
But I still got confused why you were like all of a sudden making it a call. I'm like, that sounds
well,
crazy.
because I thought it was going to consolidate there. It sort of did hang out there.
Yeah,
you would have still won it.
You might have narrowly.
Do you think this is going
to
go down another candle from here? Or you think it's just going to hang out here?
Who is it? Netflix? No. Who is it?
What?
What chart is it?
I don't know.
What are you on?
I left it. I'm on to bigger and better.
I don't know. Netflix has been watching it all night. It finally got above. It went down, went up, hit it, went down, went above, went through it. Now it's going back down to it. Man, it's not saying anything to me yet, but I don't know. I'm not making any crazy trades. We're on a first trade. Oh, dude, crap. McDonald's, though. McDonald's has been through the white line. It's tanking. It's possible that McDonald's does a smooth double cross down on this. We can put this. Well, you got to watch it, but It's kind of crazy, but if it would have been going down, if it keeps doing that,
It doesn't look like it's gonna just fall though.
why not? I mean, the indicators say it is.
Because the whole chart's kind of been.
Look at this. I mean, if this crosses, let's take it. Look at this put, dude. Look at that candle. You want to take it? It didn't cross, so I'm not going to worry about it. But the last time it went high to the white line, it went down like 8 candles. You know, it went high above the white line, and now it's just tanking. It wants to get below this big line down here. It keeps trying to return to it. So I think we could actually put this next candle if it opens up. I mean,
well, it's a first trade. It's going smoothly. We're kind of at a line, but
if it opens up,
right at a line. If it shows like it's ignoring this line,
that's not the big line. That's not the big deal.
Yeah,
line,
I mean,
right.
As long as it doesn't retract massively, showing that it's kind of obeying the line, then I think you're safe to get in. That was kind of premature, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it did.
Are you anticipating? What were you anticipating there? Holy smokes, dude! What were you anticipating? What was that? Okay, don't anticipate.
I was anticipating the cross. That was terrible. That was exactly what you said not to do.
Because of that, dude, I said if it retracts at this line like it's not going to get through it, then don't take the trade.
Yeah, that was bad. All right.
Okay, 4:10 on the clock.
How do you live?
4:10 on the clock because it's going back up, dude.
Yeah, if I would have waited, I wouldn't have taken that one. Dang it. Okay, I can't anticipate anymore. That was terrible. Just gonna shoot me.
Well, you didn't even tell me to do it. If you'd have run it by, I'm like, no, because I'm anticipating this shooting back. I told you that line. I just had a feeling it was.
Yeah,
remember, I'm the candle whisperer.
Smart tonight, dude.
I know what these candles are thinking.
All right, well, find me a win. We're on a second trade again.
Well, thank you for that.
Crap.
I'm looking.
I'm just gonna watch Netflix because I just have a feeling Netflix is gonna do something.
And what makes you think that?
Hey, Binary Way said, "Wow." Billie Jean says, Netflix and
yeah,
show.
like forever ago.
Well, I mean, I just get into the comments. So.
Okay. American Express might be going down, like, for good. Don't anticipate nothing. Don't do nothing. I'm just watching right now.
Okay. What is that big line, though? Is that big line the line that... Yeah, the line that it... It's been bouncing off the bottom of that. But it's been coming up to that line and bouncing off it for a while. So now it's coming back down to another... I don't know. That's a big line. That big, thick green line is something important.
Okay.
But watch it. I mean, it might be going down. I feel like Netflix wants to go down, too. What are we on, a second trade? Okay, second trade.
Okay, Intel. Go to Intel.
I don't feel
Intel looks good for a call.
Okay.
Is it at any kind of line?
Oh, it's a massive line. Yeah, it's a massive line.
Okay, well then don't. Right all right, I didn't check the line. I just saw the kind of thought maybe it would go
retracted.
Up. Yeah, it retracted a lot. I don't know that I would get in on it.
That line I drew on it is...
Microsoft. It's a big candle, though.
Jeez, dang. Okay, it's a massive line right now, but I think obviously looks quite like a waterfall, but it's very jagged and lots of
yeah, very jagged and a
wicks.
lot of wicks on it.
A lot of wicks, dude.
Which means it's very volatile.
Mm-hmm. What are you saying to me? These charts aren't.
Is
that
Citigroup
great
about to cross? Or is the max already crossed on Citigroup?
It's already crossed and it's flat. It's kind of weird.
Okay.
I mean, maybe a put, but it's kind of been acting funky.
What about FedEx? What does that look like to you? Besides a burning bag of crap.
Yeah. Burning bag of crap, basically. It's not bad. I mean, it's not terrible, I guess, but
not good either.
Oh, Boeing just double crossed a few minutes ago, like massive killer. I wasn't looking at Boeing.
%.
Okay, maybe that's why I wasn't looking at it. Cryptos, commodities.
That could be.
So the currencies are only like 5 or 6 of them. Oh wow. Look at odd NZD. It's actually possible waterfall, dude, and it's been going down. It's kind of it's got little lines going down, like step down lines. But look at the indicators and look at the candles. Tell me what you think it might be doing.
If you don't think it's at a line, then take the next candle.
It's got little lines, you know. It's because it stepped up sort of in a mountainy kind of way, but I don't know that it's going to obey each one of those, you know. You think I could take this down? I mean, it looks decent.
Yeah, you're on the second next one. Everything checks out to me. I mean,
I got a great position on that. Hopefully not because it's retracting.
That's a good position as long as it goes down and not up. I mean, the whole going down. Everything shows that it's going down. So, the reason why it would,
go up.
Why it would go up.
I mean, the only lines that it's at are these little lines where it kind of stepped up, bounced, stepped up, bounced, stepped up. But there's so many of them. I'm not sure that there's like one specific one that's like specific. I'm going to reset the trade to 180 in case this becomes a real obvious downtrend. We can get our, this will be a 9th win. I think we can keep going on this one if this one wins at all.
As long as this wins, yeah. I mean, it's just got to keep going down. Everything shows that it's going down.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
There you go. Yeah. Be ready to re-enter.
There we go. Let's win that one out, baby. I'm going to re-enter. We got 42 seconds, but look at this and tell me what you think. When a chart previously does this, bump, 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 it's not a specific line. It just kind of, then, on its way down, is it going to obey one of those? I mean, it didn't obey that last one.
I mean,
it's kind of hard to know because now it's like it kind of bumped its way up for a long time, and now it's kind of like taking itself back down. And it's moving kind of slow down, but it's not wicking out. I'm going to re-enter this if it's... I mean, this could be that was our 9th win.
This will be our 10th if we win it.
Come on, baby. Come on. I want to see me win that one. Should I take this? I'm not sure, man.
No, not yet.
It looks
That was kind of small and it's kind of going up now.
Yeah.
That might be over, but maybe not.
It kind of looks like it's not like massive.
That was win number 10, bro. You know what that means?
Yeah, there we go. A level where, if you look here, it's at a level where it hit twice, it hit there, and then it hit here. It's kind of sitting there, but I think we should take the next one. If this one's red, we should just take it because it's had its up pressure relief, and it's probably going back down. Look at the stochastic; it's going back down.
Yeah, I would go ahead. We only need 2 more, and but it's at 76. Never mind.
Okay, was that other one at 80? Yeah, it was 80.
Yeah, we won the last one at 80, but this one would be at 76. It's not
2 more wins.
It's not worth. Need 2 more at 80%.
2 more wins. Man, I've been watching Netflix all night. It's not doing much. It's just been farting around at this level here. Hasn't given me much of anything to deal with.
It's been kind of a disappointment.
Pretty much, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay, go to NZDJPY. Have a feeling we're going to get 2 more red candles here. That's my gut. Unless check out the support and resistance kind of stuff. But I think that this is going to fall for at least 2 candles here. You want to take
a put on this?
Why
do you think so?
Because it's bigger than that previous candle, which tells me it's not consolidation material.
You want to put it?
I would. 180.
I don't understand you, but I'm with you.
I mean, I could be wrong.
I mean, I don't understand
I don't think I am.
But I mean, oftentimes your initial gut feeling is totally right. So, and you usually miss it because we talk about it and think about it and fart around about it. And why did you say because it was bigger than the previous green candle?
Because it doesn't look like consolidation.
Oh, I got it.
Usually consolidation.
Because it hit a line, which is basically. Do you want to re-enter this on the put? I mean, I think you're probably right. If this wins, your MACD's, your stochastic's about to cross down. This candle is decent. I mean, I don't think it's going to flip back up. You want to take it?
You could, if you want to.
Well, I want to if you want to, bro. I'm letting you drive.
I was sure about that one. I'm not sure about this one.
But tell me why you're sure about that, because it cricked.
No, I said I was sure about the last one, not about this one.
Right. This one still could win. Because the stochastic's going down. This one's got a little bit of more consolidation pressure, but I do think that
so it could still go down though, yes.
Things are cricking down, and it was going up for so long that we got 17 seconds. I think this might be our final win. I hope it is.
Yeah, I think it's going to go down, bro.
I still
come on. I think it's going to go down.
Come on now.
10 seconds. I think it's going to go down. Come on. Oh, come on.
This is entertainment right here. Just watch you squirm. Watch you squirm. 3,
I
2,
just
1.
want to win. Oh, no. What were you asking me about?
Okay, we're going to second trade. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out why you were so sure about that. Just because you're
why I was sure about what
gut feeling. Well, that red candle being
that red candle was much better. Okay, when they stop at the top of a hill like that and consolidate, they're usually the red candle that follows the green would be about the same size. Usually they're like bricks side by side.
Okay.
See how these are lining up? See, now it's consolidated. Look at that. See how that the red and the green and the red, they're all about the same size.
Okay.
That red candle was significantly bigger than the last candle, which told me it had a lot of down pressure, and it's not a consolidation candle. So that's why I got the idea that it's going down.
So if this green candle would have been bigger and it would have stopped at the
this
bottom
red
of this
candle, if it breaks out of here, see that didn't.
But look,
this red candle
it might double cross though. I mean, the MACD might cross pretty soon. And do you think it's going back down in general, back down to like more one of these other levels, or do you think it's just gonna? Well,
not necessarily. It could. It's flat. I mean, it could just keep going up. So you got 410 on the
Brent oil. Look at Brent oil.
Okay. I'm going there. Do you got 410?
Yeah, 410s in the box. You got 30 seconds. You think this next candle is going to be a put? I don't know.
Are we at a line of any kind?
We're not like at a line. We're kind of in the middle of that big consolidation from earlier. But I mean, I don't think now. No, that's too much.
That's risky, bro.
That's up pressure. Never mind. I just found it and thought I'd ask you. I just saw it and thought it's coming down.
That's worth asking.
Double cross. We just got one more trade to win.
Yeah,
well
we're
within our 90 minutes.
On a second here. Okay, look at gold right now.
Okay. Well, do you think
this candle, if it ends green or ends red, I don't know that it's going to, but if it ends as a red candle, this could fall for a little bit.
Oh, right. If it's going to go through. Still, it could. Yeah. Yeah, it could fall. It could fall down to here. Right now, there's a consolidation line right here, a big one. So I guess if it goes through that, then you want to take a put on this, thinking that it's going to banking that's going to go down to there. It's not.
Think it's going to?
I think so. I think we could put this from here.
Okay. You're out of time.
Yeah,
if you don't hurry.
Sorry, I was waiting to see if it was going to. I honestly on that one, I was just waiting to see if it was going to retract. I was just waiting for a second.
Lost a little bit of position, but
right. But in general, it double cross. It's going down. That's cutting through. I mean, it's been going down, up, down. That. Come on, baby. I just want this last win here, so I can.
Yeah, I just want to get this and be done. Oh, Lord, give us a win.
That's a bouncer consolidator. So come on, go back down. Come on, you got 20 seconds. You're still too far up there.
Well, okay, now it's wicked out. You've got that out of your system. Now go down.
41, 930. Oh crap! What did I do? I ended late, so it's got 9 seconds. Why is it doing that, dude? There we go. 5 seconds. Dang,
nope, it's a loss.
Didn't ever want to make it. Dang it. Didn't ever want to go.
Okay, what's the third trade?
930. Was that okay? That wasn't a double cross. Let's.
No, but it was.
Was that speculation?
I don't know. It didn't win, but.
Well. Oh, Netflix. Oh, dude, let's take a call. Oh, crap. Netflix. Okay, dude. I think maybe Netflix might be a call on the next candle. I mean, it's gutsy, but
is it out of line?
No, because there's no line. Well, let's see. I don't think so. No, I don't think it's out of line necessarily. But look at what it did. It's been waiting. It's been waiting. It's been waiting. It's been waiting. It's been flat. It's been flat. Look at that. Look at those candles. Think the next one's going green?
Well, I mean, you can try it because it's stepping up. The stochastic's correct a little bit, but
come on, do not do that. Do not do that. Do not do that.
Go
do
up.
not do
Come
that.
on, go
do
up.
not do that. Do not go up, go up, go up. You are going up. Come on.
Come on,
do
go
not
up,
go
go up.
Go
Just
up.
big blast of up.
It's been
big
I've
up
been waiting
pressure.
on Netflix
Big up
all
pressure.
night.
Come
man.
on.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Get your final
Do
win
not
on
do
Netflix.
that. Do not do that. Do not do that. Do not do that.
Okay, now be done wicking out and go up. Come on. There you go.
Come on.
There you go. Come on.
Go. 30 seconds.
There you go. There you go. Big
Push
launch.
yourself up.
Big push
yourself
up.
up.
Come on. Big
Come
push
on.
up.
I've been waiting
Big
on Netflix all
push
night,
up.
man.
Big
Come
push
on.
up.
Come on.
Push up. Yeah, there you go. Come on. There you go.
Come on,
Yeah,
baby.
yeah,
There
yeah.
you go.
Push up. There you
Push
go.
it up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep
Come on.
pushing.
You can do it.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. You got this.
Come on.
Come on.
There you go. Oh, come on. No,
Oh,
no,
come on.
10 seconds. Come on. Make it happen.
Oh, man. Come on. Come on, dude. No.
Ah, freak.
Really? What's the next trade?
21. It's a fourth trade, bro.
I know. We got to win this.
Do you want to just put this candle right now? No, I don't want to.
No, I don't.
Dang it. That makes me mad. That was close too. I've been waiting on Netflix all night, dude. And it had those nice green candles. And I thought it was going to just go for it. I almost feel like, yeah, it just stepped up there and stopped, you know? Dang it. Yeah, I'm mad about that one. Alibaba, dude. 15 seconds. I mean, I don't know. I'm not really sure. It looks like it wants to go up. It's double crossing right now. I'm just going to watch it.
No, too big of a candle.
That seems a little bit too... Ooh, McDonald's, dude. We got 50 seconds to think about McDonald's. McDonald's is clearly a double cross setting up. It's actually a pretty good one. It's at a little bit of a consolidation line right there, but
it's retracting a bit.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't like that pressure, dude. That scares me on a fourth trade.
But is it going up to the white line, or is it just gonna? It's probably just consolidating at that line. Yeah. Do you think it's gonna? Yeah, it's stopping.
It depends how big this opens up. We got to win this trade. So
if can't really do it.
Don't do this. Don't take it on this.
It's too retractable. I mean, it would have to open up so big and just be so...
Okay, this is a very important trade. So I don't want to blow it. Citigroup looked really good, but
Yeah, Citigroup's got a lot of up and down. Oh, look at Facebook. Holy crap, dude.
Do you have the amount for
look
the
at
next
Facebook?
trade?
Yeah, 21. Look at Facebook right now.
Okay, yeah. Do you want to take it? Was it at a line of any kind?
I don't think so. No, it's way down there.
Okay.
But look at the pressure. Just think about it. I almost think no because of that retraction.
1, 2, 3, 4, then a green. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's stochastic is kind of like wanting to go back up. It's got up pressure right now. But let's wait for it because I think this might show us that it could be a nice down. I mean, it's down. It's broken down pretty far. It's wide open, but it's got up pressure for some reason right now. Like it's
yeah, it does.
It's put itself down to right here and stopped twice. I'm not saying that's a line, but that's a line that it's making. You know what I mean? It's not a line back there, but it's a line that it's making, and the stochastic is going up now.
Glad we didn't take that.
Well, we keep getting burned on these, especially when we just jump on them and go, yeah, it looks like it's going up. I think we should watch it and see what.
Yeah.
It's very slow moving.
Visa is one that's kind of in a big downtrend, but it gets a couple of candles but now it looks like it's consolidating. So
Facebook's touching that line over and over again.
Is that Facebook?
Facebook's touching that. That's Facebook. Yeah, it's touching that line and just getting narrow. Not saying that it's. It had a down. It had some good down pressure, but now it's spent. I think.
I want you to look at Visa. What I want you to look at. Tell me if it's at any kind of a line. Because it's been getting like 2 green candles, then goes down several red.
No.
Then 2 more. But this one kind of looks like consolidation because of the size of the candle. But I want to see if it...
This line. It's not at a line. But it's made its own consolidation line right here, and it stayed there for a bit. Boom, 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 boom. Broke it. It did that here, and then broke it and went down.
That's what I'm saying. It's been doing this. We only have 1 more candle. Do you think you could take a 2-minute from right here? Do you think it'd be safe?
I think so. I mean, it looks like it's down there.
Because if we get 2 more reds, we'd win. But I mean, we could do it in 1. But at the same time,
you think this is I don't know. I mean, here?
It appears to be. It's been stepping down, then going up 2, and then I almost think you could take the next one. I would
take this one. You want to take a 2-minute down?
Yeah, but let it retract if it's going to. I don't know that it's going to.
Let's see if it's going to retract.
Maybe, but hold on. We'll see. Since it's already retracted, let's see how much it's going to retract.
Yeah, this one's kind of... This is weird. This is strange.
Yeah, we should have taken that, shouldn't we?
Yeah, but that's hindsight. I don't know.
Keeps retracting though, so.
Right, it's not got it's not moving super slow and well, it is moving slow. It's got 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got 3. It's got MACDs down. We need a high position. I hate to take a put on it like at the bottom of a candle. You know what I mean? I almost think if we wait till it just goes up green, like the next time it shows us some green pressure.
But then we don't know if it's going to turn around.
You have to believe in yourself, bro. Like, I'm on a 1 minute right now. Do you think that from here it's going to touch the top of that red candle and go back down? Like,
not enough to risk a 4th trade on it.
Because it could just keep going up.
Right. I got to find something that I just know. Or that I really strongly believe. Okay. No, never mind.
Because this is kind of narrowing. It's got quite a bit of up pressure when it shows it. It shows it pretty clearly. But then the red pressure is kind of winning.
Get Citigroup though.
But I think we could find like a way better chart than that. That's
Citigroup. Look at Citigroup real quick.
Okay. Yeah. What do you think's going to happen next?
Well, it's been in a big downtrend. It tends to go up to the line, then go back down.
Do you think we should trade this?
Not necessarily, but
4th trade.
Kind of already did it, though, didn't it?
No, I mean this next. Let's.
But look at where the indicators are coming out of. So they're kind of going up.
Yeah, like this would be really hard to put this with those indicators pointing up. I mean,
yeah, because
it make a put
because it could just be turning around altogether.
Like we could just call it from right now. If we did a 1 minute call right here, we'd probably win. You know, let it.
Well,
dip
I don't know because if it's been doing, then it's going to retract. If it does what it's due to do, turn around, then
well, the last time it retracted, the indicators were pointing up. I mean, the last time it went up there, the indicators were still up. So, like you said, that would have been a good retraction up there. Now it's already back down. But do you think it's got one more red candle, or do you think it's going to consolidate?
Well, that's what you don't know.
Yeah, that's what I don't know. Yeah, it would have been safer to take that put at the top of that green candle.
But we don't know.
Well, we wouldn't have known though. Wouldn't have known. Yeah, this is.
I tend to think it's going down because of the size of this candle. It's not a consolidation type candle, but it's a very big candle.
But it's hit a line of consolidation back here. I mean, it hit. You know, you can't say it hit that line right here. You know?
Right, it's still within the bound consolidation.
Right. No, Apple is not though. Apple, dude, look at Apple. Apple might be okay. Apple's getting ready to double cross.
I don't like the way the rest of the chart looks. This has not been I don't know.
Yeah, if it double crosses, it's going to be in the middle of its double cross too. It's not going to be. Oh man,
I got one that looks really, really good. We got one more to win, and we got a fourth trade. So
yeah, kind of sucks.
Facebook is about to double cross right now.
Oh wow, okay, 52. Well, is it though?
Well, it's been
Facebook. You think if Facebook goes up, I should just take the 1 minute call?
I feel like it's going up, so I feel like you could call it. I feel like you could call this when it goes red. If it dips red, I feel like you could call it.
Just any time it dips red.
Yeah.
Like right now.
Probably. Yeah.
You think
if you feel
confirm? Well, I don't know. I'm not sure I took it for you.
Well, everything's moving up, so everything is moving upward. This candle is going to retract up over that line. This is what I'm hoping happens. That line that shoots up a little bit, ends over top of the green line. Come on, go up.
Well, I hope it double crosses right here. There we go. You got your double cross.
There we go. And then if this goes green, there we go. There we go. Even if this consolidates, it should go into the money, and we should get a nice win here. Oh, Lord, give us.
I was looking at that and thinking, if this doesn't double cross, I'm gonna pee my pants. I mean, like literally, you got me on the edge of my seat, bro. You got. I mean, because that.
This is gonna be good. I think this is. I really think this is going up, and we're gonna win this, bro. We're gonna win this, bro.
Come on,
we are gonna win this.
Oh
yeah, yeah! Come on, come on, come on, come on!
Value right here, baby.
Yes,
entertainment value.
Yes. Bam! Yes. Oh, thank you, Lord. Oh.
Is that a fourth?
Well, that's it. That's it. Fourth trade. We won the 12th win.
Oh, dude, you had me on the edge of my seat. I hit that button and I thought, if this does not double cross, we are screwed. And then
I know, and I got on you for anticipating a double cross before. Well, here's the problem though. You see those little steps up right there, the green right there?
Green, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, those. They're gradually getting higher. And they got a little bit higher than that consolidation line just before it. So it looked like everything was gradually moving up, so that even if we got a position there, the next candles even would be a little bit higher than that. So
we would have won that. Okay, so we still would have won that on the confirmation. Even if we would have waited, we would have won that on the confirmation, because I would have entered down here, because that red candle got pretty low. It got lower than where my position was, actually.
Right, it did, yeah.
I think. And then it sprung open. Let me look. I'm going to look at that screenshot.
Yeah, you were in the middle of it.
Yeah, I was right here. So had I waited and took the double cross, that would have been perfect. This is a perfect double cross, people, because it's heading up. The white line's kind of flat, but the biggest thing is the double cross happened smoothly. It didn't just like have one big big green candle that caused it to do it. It happened slowly. Crossed here, and then see how the MACD kind of slowly started going, and then crossed and naturally in that candle. That was like a great.
And
win,
that,
dude.
my friends, is a winner. And you know what that means? Whenever we win, we do what?
Oh yeah. Bam! Stefani Beltran did a little dance. How do you do that? That was awesome. Great night.
She's from Facebook.
Gonna make my 11 o'clock bedtime, dude.
Yeah, and we got all of our dang wins, bro.
12 wins tonight. It's a win-loss, win-win-win, loss, win-win, loss, win, loss, win. A loss, a win-win-win, a loss, and a win. That was kind of a lot of losses, but not a bunch in between. I mean, we had a win-loss, win-win, loss, win-win, loss, win-win, loss, loss, win. So that was a third trade. And I made a stupid trade tonight. Loss, win, win, win. And then I don't know what happened with these three, but we made our fourth. We were smart on the fourth. We were bold enough tonight. I liked our pace tonight, dude. It wasn't too bad. Our pace wasn't bad. I made a couple bad trades.
I would like to stay away from those. I'd like to stay away from those fourth trades, but it's better than going to a fifth.
I made a couple like stupid like clicks on the I anticipated one. There was one that you told me like if this goes up, don't do it, and I had already done it, and that was my bad. So sorry about that.
Yeah, did that send us to a fourth? I think that might have been one of the ones that
I
did.
can't remember when that went.
I don't know.
I think that sent us to a third because then I got a little shyer. On the button. 701.84. Let me do the financials real fast. 701.84 is our new trading balance. 701.
And day 81 was the target day to get to $100 trades. We're now 2 days down for that, so we've got 79 to go.
Oh, and tonight we made $17.70, which was a little bit more than we needed. We won 12 trades, and we're up to
these rounded trades actually.
Trading minutes 83. Yeah, we're right on track to be on day 3 tomorrow. We're right on track to be on day 3 tomorrow. April.
Okay. And what are our trades tomorrow?
Trades tomorrow will be $1.90, so they're going up about 10 cents a day. It's man, that was a good night, dude. I'm telling you, that was. I tell you, dude, I never get nervous. Tonight I got nervous. That last trade made me nervous.
Yeah, I know. I felt that too.
Because we anticipated that. Well, no, we didn't. Yeah, because I entered that trade. I anticipated a trade earlier and lost it. So when we anticipated that one together, I just thought if this doesn't cross, then I knew we'd lose. Because when you think it's going to cross and it doesn't, it's a big loss. I mean, it's literally like, okay. That's why I always wait for the candle to finish and the cross to either do it or not. Because
well, I wasn't really looking at the cross. I was thinking of it
you were
in terms of something else. I was looking at the overall position.
Yeah, it was a great position. I could have waited till the end because it kept going down. I could have waited till the end, but I think I entered like 5 or 10 seconds before it ended.
Yeah, and I was kind of afraid that it was going to keep going down, that the next candle was going to go down. So I'm glad it crossed and worked out well. So,
yeah. Well, we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow our trading session will be a lot earlier. It'll be a daytime trading. Do you want to trade right when you get up tomorrow? Because we'll be at 92 probably.
Around.
I got nothing going tomorrow, so like 12:30 is when I have it. That's 1:30 your time. But do you want to do it like at 12:30 your time?
Depends when I wake up. If I wake up then we can.
You're such a slacker.
Well,
all right.
I'm like that,
I'm just gonna put.
I like my sleep, but yeah. If I wake up, I will call you as soon as I wake up. So, and then we can tell everybody. I'm usually awake by
I'll be ready by lunchtime because we want to get in the
90%
charts.
I'm usually up around 11:30,
which is 10:30 my time. So I don't want to trade that early.
That's why I'll let you know. I'll let you know, and then we can make a plan from there.
So we really want to trade about around 12 o'clock my time, which is 1 o'clock your time. So just get up and call me, and we'll just get in there whenever we're ready.
Okay, sounds good. But everybody have a good night, and we'll see you again. Thanks for watching.